A bullish market pulls back before it goes higher. Sometimes 50%, sometimes 70, sometimes 80. And then it continues. Your trading journey does the same thing. And so does your life. The question is, will you still be there when it continues? You had a system that was working. Wins, confidence, everything was great. Then the losses came. Doubt crept in. This strategy isn't working anymore. So you loved. And the strategy recovered. Your colleague who stayed is now making money. You are starting over with something new, and the regret compounds. This is not unique to trading. Every business has a rough quarter. Every relationship has a difficult season. Every career has a bad month. There will always be a pullback. Your belief in the thing should keep you moving through it. Belief is sticking to what you do not know. If you know it, it is fact. If you do not know it but decide to hold it, that is belief. And belief is built on confluences. You have backtested, you have studied, you have put in the hours, you have watched others succeed with this. Those are your confluences. Check them when the doubt arrives. If they are still valid, keep going. But do not believe blindly. Belief without confluences is just hope, and hope without evidence is gambling. Check your confluences. If they are all right, go. And if it still goes wrong, blame yourself, because you are human, not the strategy.
You got a fearless scar.
The market stopped you out. You say they manipulated you. But some people cashed out from that same trade that stopped you out. The difference is not the market, the difference is you. Other people are making it from the same strategy you abandoned, the same chart you couldn't read, the same market you blamed. The strategy is not the variable, you are. If your belief is strong, when you take a loss, you blame your execution. You look at what you did wrong, you improve. If your belief is weak, you blame the strategy, you change it, and the cycle repeats. Here is something that works better than backtesting. Write down every concept you have been taught. Open a recording, open a chart, and teach. Not to anyone, to yourself, out loud, as if a student is listening. Explain the concept in your own words, not your mentor's words, your words. Then play it back. When something goes wrong in your trading, go back to your own video, not your mentor's, yours. Because you understand yourself more than you understand me. Your own words stick deeper than anything you memorize. That is why it works. Every weekend before the new week, watch your videos. Let your own understanding re-enter your mind. Then trade. Before you open the chart, prepare your mind. Write your trading plan, place it in front of you, sit down. 10 to 15 minutes, focus, quiet. Meditate on what you wrote. I will only take one trade today. I will honor my stop. I will not revenge trade. When you get to the chart, Your mind is organized, and organized minds make organized decisions. If you take a loss, you walk away easily because you already prepared for that possibility before you ever sat down. Some people are going through hell right now, and they think they are being punished. They are not. The ones in their comfort zones, they are not growing. They are building complacency that will cost them later. You, going through the difficulty of being prepared. My father was strict with me in ways that made me almost hate him. But everything he put me through made me who I am, because I found out that nobody has my back. If he had given me everything I wanted, I would not have gone looking. I would not have found this. The struggle is not the punishment. The struggle is the training.
There will always be a pullback
In the market,
in your career, in your life.
belief does not mean certainty. It means holding on. When you do not know the outcome, check your confluences. Teach yourself in your own words. Prepare your mind before the chart. Blame yourself, not the strategy. The ones who make it are not the most talented. They are the ones who stayed. Pour rain, the pullback, trade smart, live fully.